When we waste food, it's not just food we're throwing out. It's all the work and resources that went into growing, shipping, and preparing it. Reducing food waste is one of the easiest ways to help the planet, and it starts right in your kitchen. When food is thrown in the trash, it doesn't break down like it would in nature. In landfills, food gets buried under plastic, metal, and other materials that block out air. Without air, the food can't decompose properly. Instead, it produces methane, a powerful greenhouse gas that traps heat in the atmosphere and contributes to climate change. But the good news is, we have the power to make a difference. By planning meals, storing food correctly, and getting creative with leftovers, we can reduce the amount of food that ends up in the landfill. When we waste less food, we lower methane emissions, save water and farmland, and reduce the energy needed to grow and transport food. It's better for our wallets and better for the planet. Ready to make a difference in your kitchen? Stay tuned for simple tips you can start today.